My name is Doug Hall. I'm the Federal Programs Director with Oklahoma Rural Water Association. Wanted to start out hitting on a few key points regarding your guys' journey with the LRSP program. Something that doesn't normally happen for us is starting off with a system that's already been being pretty well maintained. When the LRSP program was started with ORWA, Cherokee County Rural Water District number 16 already had a capacity development score of 84.4%. Typically, when we start with somebody, they're a lot lower, okay? And then to finish, I believe you guys are the first ones that I'm aware of off the top of my head to have a 100% capacity development score. That's very, very impressive. One of the critical challenges that was facing this district was excessive water loss, okay? The district's loss was roughly around 53% and has been cut in over half, okay? So we're below 25%, and that's a huge improvement there. With that, I wanted to mention too that the district enters the best tasting water contest at every annual conference that ORWA puts on, and they usually perform very well. Daniel works very hard to provide a work environment that your employees will thrive. Employee retention is difficult. He's always looking to the future for things that will benefit your employees, thus keeping them in the long term. It is for this reason that he earned the very prestigious award of Manager of the Year. Karen Risley's work with Cherokee 16 exemplifies outstanding performance, professional dedication, and meaningful impact. Her technical knowledge, collaborative approach, and commitment to sustainability directly contribute to the district's transformation into a fully optimized, resilient, and future-ready water system. Her contributions have left Cherokee County 16 in a significantly stronger position to serve its customers reliably, safely, and sustainably for years to come. I also wanted to mention that of the 1,400 plus systems in Oklahoma, you guys are number 20. You made the top 20 systems in the state that has completed the LRSP program with ORWA.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
You wouldn't believe what we started with, but
Yeah, the legal change.
Real quick, I'm going to read off the proclamation. Rural Water, Sewer, Gas, and Solid Waste Management District number 16 in Cherokee County, Oklahoma is committed to becoming more sustainable to ensure the viability of the water and wastewater industries, and is in order to provide clean, safe, and consistent drinking water treatment to their customers. Rural Water, Sewer, Gas, and Solid Waste District number 16 completed compilation of their long-range sustainability plan and are actively participating in the implementation efforts. In the Office of the Oklahoma Secretary of Energy and Environment, Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality, Oklahoma Rural Water Association, and the Oklahoma Water Resources Board commend and take great pride in the Rural Water, Sewer, Gas, and Solid Waste Management District. Oklahoma for their commitment, work accomplished, and continued progress toward the sustainability of their water system in rural Oklahoma. If you would, Daniel, would you guys like to say something? Holly?
Yeah, I'll just say real quickly, my name is Holly Cam with DEQ, and Daniel, it was a pleasure to work with you and your team, and I just want to congratulate you on behalf of DEQ for your hard work, your dedication. I can't tell you how impressed I was when I came out and visited your system back in, I think it was late December, and like you said, you had a really high capacity development score, and that made my job easier, and you had such a great attitude. You took pride in your work, and you had a we'll get it done kind of attitude, and I didn't have to bug you. You were just really quick and efficient, and so thank you so much for everything that you do and all your hard work.
Thank you for your help.
Make us proud, Daniel.
And then I'm Zachary Bradley with the Oklahoma Water Resources Board. Echoing the same thing they've both said. This is a really, prestigious accomplishment. Like I said, only 20 systems across the entire state have done this so far, so that's a really exclusive club. I work as part of the comprehensive water plan team. One of our big focuses coming up is infrastructure and workforce, and so obviously, this book contains so much information to help improve your infrastructure, to maintain your workforce, and so we're really excited to see leaders like you in this space, like taking these next steps, and hopefully, can be an example for some of your peers. Congratulations, great accomplishment. I'll turn it back over to you, RWD.
Daniel, if you don't mind, would you come up for a minute?
wonderful to work with. Anything that I needed, I mean, he had it within minutes usually, and so didn't have to wait on anything very long, and that's very rare. So with that.
Your proclamation.
All right, thank you, guys. Please don't ask me to make a speech.
I think you should.
Then we'll go ahead and, present you with your plan. Big old book.
Molly.
Wow.
Well done, guys.
Yeah.
Way to go, Daniel.
We just don't want to ride.
Now, it says here at the bottom of the page, remarks by Walter Armstrong, chairperson, that would be me. I would like to say Daniel has put together a great team. The employees, all work hard towards this. Charlene and Jamie in the office, and our men out in the trenches, Colin, James, and Rusty. And I would also like to say that the DEQ and the ORWB helped a lot. And Karen, I understand that you were a great help in overcoming any deficiencies that arose. So, thank you to all.
Well done, guys.